welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I'm doing my Medusa's makeup unboxing for the month of October. Yeah, it's October. So here is what it comes in every month. This cute little, what are these called? Envelope mailer things that are pink. They say Medusa's makeup, and this is a monthly subscription. So let's go ahead and pull all the things out. Is there anything left in there? I think I got it all. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So, we do get two little cards. This first one says, try our new acetone-free polish remover. That's cool. Yeah, use code HEALTHYNAILS25 for 25% off. So that's really cool. This is from Clean Nail Color. Brandcreationlabs.com. Yeah, there's that. And then of course we do get the little card here that tells us how much everything is. We're gonna save that for last. And then I've got everything in this little bag here. So the first thing I see is this little big guy. Redundant. Okay, what are you? Medusa's makeup. That's literally all it says. Medusa's makeup. Okay, let's open this. I don't love this packaging. I feel like it's very like kiddish. That's fine. Okay, what are you? It literally says nothing except Medusa's makeup. Are you an eyeliner? I think it's a brow pencil, actually. Yep, brow pencil. Because, you know, it's not labeled at all. This retails for, it's called an eyebrow liner. It's $18. I'm going to say it's an eyebrow pencil. Coverage-wise, it's definitely not an eyeliner, but it could definitely be a good brow pencil that we'll give a try. Next, 10 free chemistry clean nail color. Oh, so we got one of those nail polishes from that little card. So we can get money off. Oh, it's cute. It is in the shade Gilded Amethyst. Amethyst is my birthstone, fun fact. It's a really pretty color. This is a 10 free polish, which is awesome. Yeah, I'll definitely use that. How much are you? $18. So I'm always down for some nail polish. I really need to go through my nail polish because I've got some that are like needing a new home. And by a new home, I mean the garbage can. We got some lashes. These are cute, but I don't wear false lashes really, so I'll probably pass these along, but they're a really pretty style, and I like the packaging a lot. These are 3D H01. I don't know if that's the shade name or the style name. Just as assorted styles, $12. So yeah, I would assume the 3D H01 is how you would find them on the website, because it's the only name on there. But yeah, that's fine. Okay, next. Oh, you do get the tiniest little eyelash glue too, so that's cool. Next, this is a Glam Rock eyeshadow in the shade 1971. You guys know I don't usually wear these because I don't reach for single eyeshadows ever, so I'll probably pass this along too. Unless it's like a pretty color that I can wear as a highlight. Let's see. No, it is not. It's a pretty color, but it's definitely not something I can wear as a highlight, so it is really pretty though. I like the packaging. I like the hot pink square. So somebody will love that. And the last thing in here, oh, that retails for $14. Last thing in here is a lipstick. It's in the shade Blue Moon. So I'm really hoping this is not a blue shade. It's a blue lipstick, you guys. I'm not gonna wear this. So I'm not gonna swatch this either. Yeah, it's cool. I really want to get one of these lipsticks in a wearable shade because like I've gotten, I think like 3 or 4 of these lipsticks now, and I have not tried the formula because every time I get one, it's like a blue or like an insanely deep purple or like a black color, which I'm not saying I wouldn't wear a blue lip, but if I'm gonna wear a blue lip, it's gonna be a liquid lip, not a lipstick that's gonna get everywhere. So, yeah. Okay. Recap. Lipstick, I don't want. I'm gonna pass that to somebody else. The single eyeshadow is a really pretty shade. I'm not gonna wear it, so I'll pass that to somebody else. The eyelashes, I'm probably gonna pass to somebody else too. And, you know, like, Christmas is coming up. I've got a bunch of makeup lovers in my life, so I'll just throw these things in with their presents and it'll be fine. The eyelash glue I'll probably throw in with it too. The nail polish I'm excited for. It's a really pretty shade with fall here. It's like a really deep purple shade that's gonna look really pretty. And I'm very excited that it's 10 free. That's awesome. And I'm always excited to try a new brow pencil. So yeah, I think this was like the shortest makeup unboxing I've ever done in my life, but I had nothing to swatch. So I swatched the eyebrow pencil, I guess. But anyway, don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.